How to redeem points in Everyday Rewards. So, Everyday Rewards is a loyalty program where you earn points from eligible purchases and then redeem those points for discounts or rewards. So, redeeming them is a automatic or a manual process. So, basically, you earn points when you shop at partner stores by scanning your Everyday Rewards, using your card or app, or by linking it online. So typically, once you get 2,000 points, it will equal to a $10 reward, and a value may vary by country or promo, but the points are stored in your everyday rewards account. So to redeem them, once you reach that specific point ratio, they convert it into that reward, and at the checkout, you can scan your everyday rewards card or app. The system will ask or automatically apply the $10 purchase. Another option is to redeem it online. So you can log into your Everyday Rewards link store account and you can add items to your cart. At checkout, you can choose to use your available rewards points, or by directly going here into your boosters, you can find yourself some options that will cost some points. So you can go ahead and choose whichever you'd like, and it will apply to whatever purchase you will go for next. So the discount is applied before your payment. But that is basically how the redemption options work in Everyday Rewards. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.